our channel. Today we are going to make an easy bottle art. So let's see the materials required. Bottle, different shades of paint, white acrylic paint or gesso primer, tape, golden acrylic cone, sponge. Give base coat to our bottle using white acrylic paint or gesso primer. Wait till your bottle dries. Now we are going to use the silver pearl metallic shade of the Fevicryl Pearl Kit. Give a thin coat of this shade to the bottle using sponge. This is to make our bottle more shiny. Now we are going to stick our tape in uneven shapes. Now start filling each shape with different shades of paint. After drying, let's peel off our tape. Now give outline using the golden acrylic cone to each shapes. To enhance the beauty of the bottle, I added some dots too. I also added bowl chain to the neck of the bottle to make it look more beautiful. Now our pot art is ready.